Nicole here. Welcome to my channel, and I help people remove the toxins from their life, whether that would be through food, skincare, makeup, cleaning products, you name it. And today, I am so excited. We are gonna talk about in 30 days being a healthier you. Wait a second, I know that may sound a little intimidating, a healthier me. What am I gonna have to do? Have to go outside every single day? Do I need to work out every single day? Do I need to change absolutely everything I eat? No, we're gonna start off with 5 simple things that I know you can do because they're pretty easy, pretty basic, and it's honestly gonna help you change your life in the right direction, okay? So step 1, no soda. Absolutely no soda. I know it tastes good. I know that you've maybe been drinking it for years, but absolutely no soda. It is not good for our bodies. It's not natural, and it's got a lot of sugar. It should not be in there. Not only that, but it messes with our hormones, okay? We don't need that. So my recommendation is water, chia seeds, you can put fruit, you can put lemon, you can do whatever it takes. You can also drink kombucha, you can also drink organic juices with not loaded with a whole lot of sugar. Try to start looking for other options. But again, if you do something for a certain amount of time, it ends up becoming your lifestyle. It ends up becoming your habit. So we're gonna break no soda, okay? Number 2, guys, more fruits and vegetables, all right? Now, breakfast may look like a piece of toast with a bowl of cereal. Okay, cool, that's fine. Let's keep the same exact breakfast, but let's add an apple. Let's add a banana. Let's add things. Let's start adding fruits and vegetables to feel good, okay? Step number 3 is going to be stretching. Now, whether it's even 5 minutes, commit yourself. 5 minutes a day. Even if you're watching your favorite show, even if your kid is climbing on you, which happens to me every single day, keep going. Those 5 minutes of just stretching, our bodies need it. We're not meant to be in place. We're not meant to be stiff all the time. We need to move around. We need to move our joints, and it's gonna make us feel better. You're gonna start feeling a clarity, and your body's gonna start feeling better, okay? So 5 minutes a day. That's it. Number 4, no fast food. Absolutely no fast food, okay? I know right now we're in the whole quarantine, stay at home, social distancing age, and a lot of restaurants, especially a lot of things are closed. So it makes us more susceptible to going and eating things that we should not be eating. But discipline yourself. Again, it's a habit. We're starting to create these habits, and these are going to be our lifestyle. We will adopt these as our future lifestyle. So, no fast food, 30 days. What is it gonna do? 30 days. No McDonald's, no Jack in the Box, absolutely none of that stuff. Okay, guys? All right, number 5 is I want you to write down your goals. I want you to envision the things that you want, whether it's, perfect example is, I want to be living in this area. I want this specific house. Every single day for 5 minutes, I want you to sit there, lay there, whatever. I want you to think about it. What it feels like walking in this house or living in this neighborhood that you desire. This is just an example. What does it smell like? What are the lights? How does the light feel on your face? When you envision yourself having what it is that you actually want, manifesting, okay, your energy is going towards all of that, and you're envisioning it. Manifesting, there's been so many examples. When I finally make the decision and I put myself in that awareness of feeling it, it happens so much quicker, okay? So this could be a goal that you can write. I wanna lose weight, I wanna feel healthier, I wanna my mind to be a little bit more clear. Write them down. These are simple little steps, although they may seem to some people either a lot, or some people, oh, I've already done those. These are simple little things that we can do to make a difference in our lives, to feel better. And to not only that, but if you have kids, I always think about it, the example that I'm setting for them. You know, what am I eating? What am I listening to? What am I thinking about? There's different things. I mean, obviously they don't know what I'm thinking about, but there's different things that we can do. We need to set an example, not just for our kids, but for other people around us. We are all one, we're all connected, and helping each other helps us in return. So thank you guys so much. Subscribe to my channel, make comments on the type of videos you want to see, and thank you for supporting my journey.